Hello guys, how are you all? You all must be very good. Welcome back to my new video. Today's content is how to sign out a Google account from another phone remotely. Okay, so let's quickly start our video. First, you need to open your Gmail. After opening it you will see your Gmail logo at the top. You need to click on it. After clicking, you will get an option to manage your Google account. You need to click on this. You will find it, then home, after that personal info, then data and privacy. After that you will find the security option. Okay, so you need to click on security. After clicking, scroll a little and look here. Scroll down a bit and you will see a section called your devices. Look below for manage all devices and you need to click on it. Follow every step of our video. It is 100% real, guys. Then select the Gmail you want to remove from the device after clicking here. You will see a page like this. Okay, you will get the sign out option. If you sign out from here, it will log out. Okay, if you are liking our video, then please like, subscribe and share. For now, bye bye. See you in the next video.